in size 50 by 57 cm round special treatment. Version 1 starts with lightning diamonds that we have sprinkled on the lightest areas on the painting. So this would be on the white flowers, on the petals, the large petals that she has in front of her, these ones. Sprinkle it in those areas. You can also choose to sprinkle some on the white highlights on her hair, just to give it a little bit of sparkle. Evoke by Lioba Brückner in 50 by 57 cm rounds, special treatment version 2, now adds deep emerald crystals that we have sprinkled in the dark green areas. You can choose to also sprinkle some in the lighter green areas, but it's best that you sprinkle these in the background in the darkest areas. So if we come up close, it would be on this corner over here running down, the black areas, also on the dark green leaves running across her hair, and then some on this side as well. So sprinkle it in the areas that you would like to have a little bit more glisten, and this is for version 2 of Evoke. Evoke by Lioba Brückner in size 50 by 57 cm rounds, special treatment version 3, now adds morganite that we have sprinkled on the pink areas on the canvas. That includes not only the pink petals of the flowers on the bottom, but also on her pink hair. I've actually placed most of them on her hair. So you can choose to place most of the morganite on the pink areas on the bottom for the flowers, or do it evenly with her hair and the flowers, or do as I've done here by placing majority of it on her pink hair. And this is the fun of conducting special treatments, because these are merely suggestions, recommendations, but it is still up to you how you would like your final product to look like.